fire extinguishers.
Fire extinguishers are an essential tool in the health and safety arsenal. Like all tools, however, they are all designed with specific situations in mind. While many fires can look similar, the reality is that there are differences in fuel, heat source, and ignition, meaning that different extinguishers will be needed to combat them.
Some of the different kinds of extinguishers are water extinguishers. They're only effective on Class A fires, for example, involving burning non-metallic solid, paper, wood, cloth. ABC powder extinguishers. These contain powdered chemicals that are effective against Class A, Class B, and Class C fires. M28 and L2 powder extinguishers are used for Class D fires only. Foam extinguishers contain a mix of water and an active chemical agent which foams when exposed to air and are only suitable for Class A and B fires. Carbon dioxide extinguishers. These work by starving the fire of oxygen, thereby suffocating and extinguishing it. They do not use any chemical residue behind and are hence specifically rated to work on Class B and electrical fires only. Wet chemical extinguishers are designed specifically to deal with Class F fires only.
We've covered several categories of fire extinguishers in this lesson. They have a few things in common, but there are key differences as well.
The common things that are found in nearly all categories of fire extinguishers. Red or a stainless steel body. The colour change has no bearing on the type of extinguisher. Cylindrical shape. The nozzle at the top. White writing. The main differences among fire extinguishers usually are a coloured band that tells you what each extinguisher does. The writing's content. Mounting. Some extinguishers are mounted on wheeled trolleys. These usually have a larger capacity to be able to deal with larger fires. Most are mounted to walls on secure brackets. When fire extinguishers are needed, they need to be placed, used, and maintained properly. The following guidelines should help you greatly. Minimum deployment. There should be at least one fire extinguisher installed for every 200 square meters of floor space. Minimum access. There should be at least one fire extinguisher installed on every floor. Expiration dates. There need to be regular checks to ensure fire extinguishers have not expired. A qualified fire safety specialist should visit the premises periodically to check all extinguishers are in working order. Usage limitation. Fire extinguishers are there to eliminate small fires quickly or to clear a path to an exit route or save lives. Let the fire brigade handle the fire as a whole. Training. If staff who are not trained start using the extinguishers, they may cause more problems than they solve, like using the wrong extinguisher. Instructions. Specific extinguishers will have specific instructions. Be sure to always read them carefully.